Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I am so excited to be filming again. I let y'all know in a community post that I have been super sick. It's just been one thing after another, and that's why I have been completely MIA. No content from me. I literally lost my voice, like fully lost it to the point I couldn't even speak, which has never happened to me before. I'm still wheezing, still coughing, but I'm feeling a little bit better today, so I really wanted to go ahead and film for y'all. I just did like the most simple makeup ever, and I have had a stack of boxes I've been receiving in the mail for the last 2 weeks, and I haven't really gone through them. I just opened I think I opened 3 of them real quick to do some real content for Instagram. I'm not 100% sure what's in all of these, and I just thought it would be like an easy, simple video to get back into the swing of things. I genuinely missed filming so much. I missed making content. I was just like laying in bed watching Gilmore Girls 12 hours a day, and I know that sounds amazing, but when you literally can't breathe, it's not. Without any further ado, without any further blabbering, let's jump on in. So just starting off, I have this little package here, which I did cut into because I didn't know who it was from and I was just super curious. So I got a little PR package from Bodyography, which I have not tried anything from them before. But here's what the little card looks like. It's so cute. It looks like a magazine. Inside, they included 2 of their Epic Brow Clear Brow Gel Liquid Brow Definers. So there is a brown shade and then an ash shade. I don't know that that's gonna work for me, but I'll try the ash. Oh, the packaging is so cute. We love a pink moment. Oh, wait, this is so smart. Okay, so on one side you have the brow gel, and then on the other side is the like one of those like little pens. Okay, so there's what ash looks like, which honestly I think looks pretty good for my hairs. I love the idea, I love the packaging. And they also sent over their glossy lip oil. This is the shade Juicy. Oh, that's so pretty. I have a tiny lip tint on right now. I'll just throw this on top. Ooh, it smells like fruit. It's definitely glossy, I can see the difference. We're comfortable. Like I said, I haven't tried anything from Bodyography before, but I'm excited about it. Next, let's do something that I purchased myself. I've got my little bag here from Natasha Denona. So I know I posted about it on my community tab because I was super excited about this launch. I'm sorry about the noise. But she came out with the mini Trio Chrome palette, and I believe that this is $27, and it's like a full blue palette. Just super, super cute. Definitely one of her most colorful minis yet. However, I will say that this shade right here, like the shade that's supposed to be like Trio Chrome, like, yeah, it has like a little shift to it, but if you have any indie shadows, like, I know I haven't swatched it yet, so I'm kind of talking shit, but consider me unimpressed. Just the way it looks in the pan, I'm like, I don't know. But overall, I like the color story. I think it looks really pretty. I'm excited to test it out. So definitely let me know if you want to see a full review or like a full first impression, swatches, eye look with any of these, because we do have quite a few palettes to talk about. So I'm not going to swatch the eyeshadows right now just because there's a lot of eyeshadows, but we'll do swatches of everything else basically. But also from Natasha Denona, I picked up the High Glam Correcting Concealer because I've been wanting to buy this forever, and it has constantly been out of stock. I have checked the website so many times to purchase this. This is the shade C1, which I believe is the fairest corrector. And I really, really wanted to try this because I've been loving the concealer version of this. And I feel like initial first impressions, I was like, it's nice, I like it. But the more I use it, the more obsessed I am. I feel like it just looks so smooth. It's what I have underneath my eyes today, and it just looks really, really good. So I wanted to get the corrector because I've been wearing press-on nails a lot. I know I don't have them on right now. I actually got a set. Well, when I was sick, it was so sweet. Wait, tangent. My boyfriend went to the store to get my medicines from the pharmacy, pick up some more cough drops, some tea. Like, he was doing a whole sick run for me, and he came back with like the cutest spooky Halloween press-on nails in the exact size, the brand I love, and he's like, they're a little ghost, like I couldn't help but get them for you. So I'm going to do my nails. I was just like waiting till I felt a little bit better, but yeah, hopefully next video I'll have them on. But anyways, I've been wearing press-ons a lot, and unfortunately, like they're just really hard to get into, like more like jar type makeup. So even though I have the Becca under eye corrector, which I love and adore, it's so good, it's hard to get into when I have longer nails. I thought this packaging would be much easier for me, but I will say that like I'm kind of surprised. I feel like, I mean, I guess comparing it to my shade, it looks like slightly more pinky, but it doesn't look super correctory. That's not even a word, but okay, so there's what it looks like. I mean, it has like a little bit of like a peachy orangey undertone to it. It definitely looks different than the Becca. Let me just see if I can swatch them. So I have the Becca shade in Fair Light. Okay, yeah. The Becca is so much pinker. So I mean, I guess we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how I like it. Next, let's do this package here from BK Beauty because I know what's inside and I'm so excited about it. Let's see. Okay, took it one open. So this is the new Angie Hot and Flashy Travel Brush Set, which they announced on, I believe, the day of like they were celebrating, I can't remember if it was 1 year or 2 years since the original set came out, and I'm obsessed. I literally have it right in front of me. The A506 is my like one of my all-time favorite brushes from BK Beauty. I almost called it my all-time favorite, but there's so many good ones from them. So I love this brush, and therefore I was very excited to see that they are coming out with a travel version. And it comes with a little pouch and everything. I do have some other travel brushes from BK Beauty, and I feel like they're the same quality as the full-size brushes. Woo, that makeup bag smells strong, but it's so cute. Like, it's such a little unique shape. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so the makeup bag, like the brush bag, like kind of gives you like a decent amount of space. And I also feel like you could like sit it up. Like if you're doing your makeup and you're like going somewhere, you can just sit it up on like whatever's in front of you. Oh, that's so smart. Okay, BK Beauty coming through with the versatile brush bags, because I already love their other makeup bag that they came out with a few months ago. But here's what all the travel brushes look like. Like I said, this little one, the little baby, this concealer brush right here is what I'm most excited about. So fluffy. Actually makes me think I should probably clean mine. Like, look how disgustingly dirty mine is. These did look the same. Okay, we have another package here that I purchased myself, and this is from Glamlight. You guys, I could not help it. Glamlight is just absolutely coming through with all the spooky collabs this month. I just saw that they are releasing like 2 more palettes, and I grabbed one, but it had nothing to do with the theming or anything. It was just about the color story. So I grabbed the Ghost Face palette, and I just think it's so cute. The color story, I love the cool tones. I saw a lot of people complaining that this was way too neutral, but they just announced their Freddy palette, I think it was. Someone versus Freddy. I don't know, you guys. I'm not a horror movie girl. Like, I have way too much anxiety for that. But they announced another one, and it's like a grungy, colorful, like, not like bright, but it like has more color to it if like this is too cool tone for you. But basically, here's what it looks like. It has like this cool like little changing thing, which I've seen on a few products recently. It's like the new packaging trend. Pero here is what it looks like. I mean, it's so pretty, like the grays and the sparkles. Oh, they're beautiful. I'm gonna do a full video on it for sure. I know like not everyone was super hyped, but I don't know, I love cool tones, so I was really excited about it. And I bought it as soon as it launched. Okay, next we have a package here from What's Up Beauty, which I thought was cool because I saw that one of y'all actually, I'm just like waving my knife around. One of y'all commented on their Instagram post about these highlighters, like, oh, I can't wait to see Amy's thoughts. So I thought that was super sweet, and I definitely am here to swatch them for you. And they look really, really beautiful. So let's see. So these are the Serengeti highlighters from What's Up Beauty. It says they're talc-free, clean, cruelty-free, vegan, moisturizing ingredients. 2 colors in 1 pan, mix both for a 3rd color. So they've got like the 2 different designs. And then they've got swatches and everything here. I really love What's Up Beauty. I particularly love their brushes more than anything. I've also really enjoyed their eyeshadow palettes. So we have the shade Wild Acacia, which, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Look at the packaging. It's gorgeous. So in this one, it looks like a kind of like soft white shade, and then a soft pink shade. They said you can use them alone or you can kind of mix them together, even though it feels truly awful to put my fingers in all that artwork. So there's what that one looks like. All the swatches. I feel like that's probably going to be the one that's going to be best suited for my skin tone. But we also have Safari Sunset, which has the same like just super, super stunning packaging. This one is just a little bit more golden. So there's what that one looks like. And they actually do look like I could probably get away with using these. Like they have a little bit more depth to them than the other shade. But on these swatches here, they definitely look a little bit darker than how they're swatching on my arm. And then they also included their highlighter brush, which I am very excited about because like I said, I'm obsessed with their brushes. They're such good quality. This is the R201. Looks super cute, so soft. Just like a really nice pointed brush. Like you could probably powder underneath your eyes, use it to apply highlighter. Maybe a little bit of blush, just depending on what you're applying. And it's like super pointed, so it'll be perfect for getting in and using whichever shade you want. I just do one now. Actually, okay, fine, since you guys convinced me, even though I'm just talking to myself, I'm gonna grab a little bit of both shades and just apply it on top. But I mean, you can definitely see more of a glow, but my skin is already super glowy, so it's kind of hard to see a difference. But I mean, it doesn't look powdery, like it just looks really glowy. Okay, next here I have a package from Alter Eco Beauty. So they sent over their eyeshadow base, which I do really love, but they send one with every single palette. So I tend to give these away a lot to friends and family because I've just gotten more eyeshadow base than my eyes could possibly use. And then they also sent over their new Mirage eyeshadow palette. Packaging on this is super cute. Oh wow, okay. So I believe that this is duping something from Huda Beauty. This shade looks so strange. I hate it. I don't know. There's just something about like trying to do like a different texture in an eyeshadow pan that like gives me the EBGBs. But overall, I mean, it looks pretty. There's like 2 cream shadow shades. So I will definitely have to try that out. It's funny, the concealer has been sitting on my hand a hot minute now because I took a little break. I had something I needed to post on Instagram, and I feel like the Becca dried down completely, but the Natasha Denona one looks so glowy. And I'm like, I don't know, is that a good thing or a bad thing for a corrector? I'm not sure, but I just cannot wait to put that underneath my eyes. Next, we have a package that I'm so excited about. I think this is my most exciting one out of everything we have here. This is from Glaminatrix Cosmetics. And originally when I got this, I was so excited because I got it early. I got it before the launch. I was like, as soon as I get better, before it even goes live, like I'll be able to film some content with it. But no, that's not how anything went. But it's okay. We're here now. The world didn't end. Here is the new Rich Romantic palette from Glaminatrix. I love what they're doing. So here's what it looks like. The packaging is super nice. It's like this beautiful pink. Oh my goodness, he's obsessed with the packing peanuts. Sir, some of us are trying to film. The rule is that if you're gonna make noise, you have to say hi to the camera. I didn't make the rules, that's just what it is. Do you guys love how he'll just sit here and let me hold him like a baby? Okay, anyways, let me show you the inside. Like I said, it's already launched. Look how stunning. And the shades in the middle, oh my goodness. Like I feel like if you like Anastasia Beverly Hills, but you want better quality, That's what this is giving. So I cannot wait to play with that. I'm definitely gonna do a full video on it. Next, we have a box here from Pixie Beauty. No idea what is in this. I feel like it's kind of funny because like it's still a little bit like luxe and like, ooh, it's like a nice PR box, but this is actually very toned down for Pixie and I appreciate it. Like their boxes are so much smaller than they used to be. 5 essentials, 5 minutes. Oh, we've got some little tissue paper. Okay. So there's like a little bye-bye under eye. Oh, a corrector pen. Okay, we need to swatch that 100%. Very excited to try that. We got a mascara, which my little sister actually loves this mascara. She was saying that it's super good, so I feel like I need to try it out. I haven't tried it. There's a cheek gel, a Lift Max, Lippy, and Sheer Rose, and a brow tamer. Let's watch the cheek gel. This is the shade Flushed. It looks like a really pretty, like spicy warm tone. Ooh, oh, I wasn't expecting that. It literally looks like a black blush. Okay, but I see potential here. Huh. Okay, so I just did like the tiniest little bit. Oh, it shears out so much. Okay. I'm feeling bamboozled. Like how did I just swatch that and that? What? Okay, wait, let's do a little more. It's funny, it like literally looks like blood. I mean, it's very sheer and like very gel-like. I mean, it looks pretty. I feel like I need to make a TikTok or something. Like this is giving a TikTok moment. Like let's try this blush that looks like blood. And then the under eye corrector will swatch next to the others. Like how perfect could this be? And the packaging will also be easier to use than a jar. Let's see. Oh, okay. So it's right here. It's very orange. Like this is probably better suited for someone with like a medium skin tone. I might be a little bit too fair for this, but it didn't say a shade on there. It just says by under eye. So I don't know if that's the only shade that's available. Okay, I think last but not least, I have a little package here from Mockingbird Beauty, which is a new indie brand. And they sent this to me a little while back, but it's kind of been in a pile and I just haven't gotten into it yet. So I thought we could go ahead and open it today. And like I said, it's a brand new indie brand. This is their very first product. So I am excited to try it out and see what they've got going on. It says you are a masterpiece, and then it says check out which sticker is sealing your order and get an affirmation. So mine is like the really cute like little light green, and that is you are successful. We'll see about that. So the packaging is cute. It looks like a little like love letter, at least to me. And then here's what it looks like inside. Oh, it's so cute. It has a little mockingbird on it. And here is what the palette looks like. So it's all cool tones, some like mixtures of some brighter, some neutral. I love this shade right here, Innocence. Looks so cute. So I'm excited to test that out. And I think that is everything I had to unbox. There's kind of trash everywhere right now, but I'm already too tired to pick that up. That's gonna be a later problem. Let me know what you'd like to see a full video on. Let me know if there's anything that's been happening in the beauty community I missed in the last few weeks. Give me the 411. I'd love to have a conversation with you down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.